Hey everyone, Roger Cox with Property and Land Management Specialist. I've been struggling trying to set up a tripod in a tree with my phone, and it's not working. So we're going to walk and talk a little bit today what we have going on. We're actually in an old grown-up pasture, and so this has probably been 10-15 years since they've grazed it, and it's grown up with locust, honeysuckle, mostly autumn olive, but we've got a few good things going on. We've got a lot of dogwood in here. We've got a lot of natural grasses and native grasses, but we also have a lot of brome grass, and that's not conducive to great habitat. And so we're trying to find ways to create a better opportunity for hunting here, a better opportunity for habitat. So in the background you can hear the skid steer going. He's really covering a lot of ground. I'm really impressed with how this thing just pulls the roots and all, and we can stack and pack and get the big brush piles kind of off to the edges. And so what he's working on right at the moment is going to be the hub of our hub and spoke food plot design. And so this is a big 9-acre section, and so there's a lot of different cover in here. And so some of this we want to leave alone, some of it we want to establish some warm season grasses and bedding habitat, and then some of it we're going to open up and put big food plots in. Some of this will be left alone as a sanctuary, and then hunt the fringes. And so what the hub and spoke design does for us is it gives us one central large food plot, and then we can kind of split off from that and allow different hunting opportunities, different travel corridors, and that sort of thing. So this is the cleanup phase. Tomorrow we'll finish plucking a few more of the autumn olive. We're really trying to get as much of the autumn olive out as we can in those 2 days. And so working within his budget, we figured that invasive removal is number one. Number two, we'll start setting up the hub and spoke design for the food plots. And so it's been an ongoing process. This is part of the management plan we wrote for him last year. And so this is kind of the big first step. We've done a few small things for him, but this is a big project, and it really should impact his property immediately. And so that's the goal this year, is to really get things moving for him. And as you can see, it's going to be a really sweet design. You can see how thick and nasty it is over my shoulder here. And a lot of this will get opened up as well. We've got the dogwoods here, but then we've got a lot of the invasives mixed in too. The autumn olive is really starting to green up. So it's important that right now when we're doing this, that we're actually pulling the root system out versus just cutting it. So there will need to be some maintenance on this. We will help control this with burns and some spraying here and there. But for the most part, this is just a cleanup effort, and I can't wait to see how it looks and show you guys how it looks tomorrow when we finish up.